Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you saw the title, we're going to make a intro using the iPhone free. So you get the image from Google, then you go over to Fonto, you click the photo, the camera icon below, you click plain image, top right hand corner you click the white one, then you go to custom, set the specifications to 1280 and 720. That's for YouTube. Then you're going to press use and add the image that you just downloaded from the internet. Once that is done, you're going to save it. In that now, you're going to open the second app, which is CapCut. You're going to start a new project and then you're going to open the image that you just saved. So click next once that is done, and you want to set the duration to around 5 seconds. Last part, you're going to delete that part because it's not needed. Once that is done, you're going to click on effects, scroll across to basic. I use the shake effect. Then I'm going to extend it to the duration of the first clip. Then I'll add a second effect, a second one. So you go back in effects, you scroll across now to mode. What I used was the meteor. You're going to set the duration of that third one to the same length as the first two. After doing that, we're going to go on to the third app, which is PicsArt. You're going to scroll down to color backgrounds. You're going to click on the transparent background. That's the little kind of checkers looking one to the left. Then you go to stickers, type in picture frame, and you want to scroll to the black frame. Yeah, that one. So once that is done, you're going to scroll across and you will see color. So when you click on color, you want to select the white one, the one that it's called negative. It has a little blue trimming around it. So yeah, that one. So once that is done, you're going to click apply, you click next, and then you'll go ahead and save it. After doing that, you're going back into the transparent background. Then you're going to click next because you will need to save the transparent background itself. Then once that is done, you click done. You click on the plus sign again, go back to the transparent background. You're going back into the frame, but this time you're going to allow the frame to stay black because you'll need that black frame for something else. So save it. So now we're going back into Fonto. Click off the add. We're going to reset this first project that we did. Then we're going to click on photo albums. Once that is done, you're going to open the transparent background that you had saved before. You're going to click on it. Once that is done, you'll see add text come up. Then you're going to, well, the font that I used is Siagram. I downloaded it from the internet. Yeah, I saved it from the internet. So you'll need to download that if you want this font. Alright, so once that is done, you're going to click on style and design any color that you want. For me it's green and white, so I went on stroke and then I selected green, the shade green that I want. Then I went back to text, and then at the bottom you're going to see create color pattern. So click on create color pattern, then I click on the white, and then I click on the green. Once you do that and you're satisfied with the colors that you want, you click at the top and you click on vertical. There are box will appear and you click on vertical. You can let it stay on horizontal, but I wanted it to be on vertical. And then I just save it because I'm satisfied with what I have here. So once you do that, you're going to click on save as PNG, and then you're going to go back into CapCut. Alright, so now I would want to add my picture with the picture frames. So I'm going into my gallery. I'm going to search for a picture that I want to use. So let me click on this one, allow it to load. Then I'm going to like tweak it a bit, like slant it. Once I do that, I'm going into, no, I don't want that frame, I want the white frame, that one. So I'm going to put it right over it here, and it looks boring with this introduction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add an effect to it. So I'm going into animation. I'm going to go into animation. I'm going to click on in. Then I want to like add swing right. Scroll across the swing right. So I'm going to set the same one for the frame. So I want the image and the frame to be on the to swing right. So I'll set the duration to around 1 second. So just like that. It actually swings to the left, but on the app it says swing right. So I'm going to add another photo. So I'm going to do the same thing for this, but I'm going to turn this one the other way, the other direction. I'm going to add the frame back to this. Alright, so I would need an animation for this one as well. So what I'm going to do is click on animation, click on in, and I'm going to scroll across to swing bottom. Yes, so it comes from the bottom. I set it the duration to 1 second. I'm gonna do that for both the frame and the picture. Alright, so it looks alright so far. Yeah, it looks alright so far. So what you'll need to do from here now, you'll need to go ahead and you're going to save it. As long as it's fine with you, you're going to save it. Then you're going to click on new project. You're going to click back that project that you just saved. Alright, then that last part, always remember to delete that last part there. So around like a couple seconds in it, you're going to click add overlay. Then you're going to add the text that you designed in Fonto. Yes. So what you're going to do now, you don't want it to be boring, so what you're going to do now is you're going to add an animation to the text. So what I went on is I think it's shake 3. Yeah, so just like that, shake 3.